everyone, welcome to Phani EHS Info, a learning platform for safety. In this video, let's understand lifting safety, an essential part of every construction and industrial activity. Lifting operations may look simple but can become dangerous without proper planning, valid permits, and competent supervision. In this miniature setup, we show how to plan, prepare, and perform a safe lifting operation. One of the main hazards during lifting is the presence of nearby electrical poles. Always provide barricades and warning signages to keep the area safe. Before starting, always conduct a toolbox talk and make sure the team understands the lifting plan and their roles. Plan before you lift, prepare a proper lifting plan, and get it approved by the competent lifting engineer or supervisor. Check the permit, ensure a valid lifting permit is issued and signed by authorized personnel before starting. Inspect the equipment, check all cranes, slings, shackles, and hooks to confirm they are certified, color-coded, and in good condition. Assess ground conditions, make sure the ground is level and firm. Always use outrigger pads to ensure crane stability. Know the load, confirm the pipe weight, length, and center of gravity. Use pipe belts or clamps suitable for the load. Barricade the area, clearly barricade the lifting zone and restrict entry. Display lifting in progress and authorized personnel only signages. Use taglines. Control suspended pipes using taglines to prevent swinging or uncontrolled movement. Maintain communication. The signalman and operator should use standard hand signals or radios for clear coordination. Every lifting operation is a team effort. The lifting engineer, supervisor, signalman, flagman, and HSE engineer all play key roles in ensuring safe and smooth lifting. Remember, a planned lift is a safe lift.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Phani EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.